YouTube? Welcome to this quick gear unboxing. I've got a Ernie Ball 40th anniversary volume pedal. I've used Ernie Ball pedals for a very long time. The chassis is very well made, but one problem I've ran into is that the cable that connects the inside components can be a little fragile, and the new 40th anniversary volume pedal has a Kevlar cord, so apparently I need to take better care of my equipment on the road, but I am also hoping that this Kevlar cord makes the internals a little more durable. So let's get started. So inside the box, just a small sheet of paper going over some warranty stuff and some operation instructions. Alright, finally. Alright, so there it is, the new volume pedal. Obviously the largest difference with this is that the pedal is an ionized black instead of silver like the normal volume pedal. Also, the normal volume pedal doesn't have an Ernie Ball logo in the middle of it. Normally it's just totally the gripped surface. On the front of it, you got your input, output, and tuner jack, and the ad for the ultra durable Kevlar cord, so I'll definitely be putting that to the test. So that's the part that's kind of fragile, is this cord is what I've ran into, has been the problem. So the operation is very smooth. And they look really cool, they work great when the cable doesn't get broken. These new volume pedals can be used with active and passive guitar pickups, which is pretty cool. And there's a small switch inside it. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it in the camera to change the basically the profile of the sweep, so that when you sweep it all the way up, there's a slight boost at the very end. I'll be probably using it in the normal setting because I have it hooked up to my TC Electronic. Oh, sorry, I was out of frame. I have it hooked up to my TC Electronic G system, and I use this as a wah and a whammy pedal. So thanks for checking out this video. I think it's a beautiful pedal. I like the slight subtle changes to the design. I'm excited about the Kevlar cord. Please hit like and subscribe and do all the other YouTube stuff to help the channel continue to grow. We have loads of original music and free guitar lessons available on our channel. Bye.